Good day and welcome to Treflo Tutorials. In this video today, I will be showing you how you can use Canva to get a lesson plan. How you can use Canva as an educator. This video is a video for educators to ease their work while preparing a lesson plan. So for you to use this feature, you will need to be on Canva Pro. So if you are not on Canva Pro, you should be on Canva Pro so you can have access to it. And how do you do that? Let me show you my own. Can you see this is Digital Globe? I'm on Canva Pro. So for you, you will first of all be on personal, like your normal Canva. Then you go out to Google Chrome. You can either type in Canva Pro or bingotingo.com. Click on it. Then try to scroll down. It will count some seconds before it can allow you download it. Okay, can you see? It's counting down. It's counting down. We have 36 seconds to go. So when it has counted, it will show you download. Then you click on the download. I have a video for this already. I'll probably put it in the description of this particular video. So when you are, I want to show you the next thing. That is why I am trying to wait. Okay, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 0. Okay, so you click on download, then you click on get here. It will redirect you to, then you click on join team. So for now, I am not going to join because I already have a Canva Pro. I only wanted to show you. So after you have joined, you will come back here like I showed you earlier to see that you have truly joined. So this is when I joined. So I'm presently on Canva Pro. Okay, so back to the major reason of this video. I only showed you how to join Canva Pro because you will need Canva Pro to practice this tutorial. Okay, so check this out. Magic Studio. Can we see that? So you click on the Magic Studio. Okay, then you come to Magic Write. Can you see? The Magic Write is a Pro feature. That is why I wanted it to have the Canva Pro first. It's a Pro feature. So you click on Write Magic. Try Magic Write. Okay, so it's loading up. All right, so this is where you are going to type your prompt. So for me, I want to talk to my students, probably basic 4, generate a lesson plan for grade 3 pupils on, let's go for artwork. Then I'll click on this arrow to generate it for me. Okay, it's saying I should try another topic. So let me try generate a lesson plan for grade 3 pupils on education is important. Okay, so now can we see it's generating something for me already? Very good. Now we can see what it has generated. The title, education is important. The objective, just like we have our normal lesson plan that we used to write by hand. material, these are the materials you will use. Then the introduction, this is the body. Then the conclusion, the worksheet. In fact, evaluation questions are also there. When you are done with all of it and you are okay with it, all you need to do now is just download it. Click on the download button to download it. Then you download. It's going to save it as PDF, and you can, instead of saving it as PDF, you can as well decide to copy it, like copy it from here, from this part. Probably you want to take it to your Microsoft Word or whatever to do some editing, so you just copy it. Can you see the way I'm copying it? You just copy it, you highlight everything that you want to copy, then you click on copy. So you can now take it to probably your Microsoft Word. If you have Microsoft Word, can you see Microsoft Word? So with this Microsoft Word, I can easily edit whatever it is I have copied from anywhere. I'll just come here, paste it. I'll click on this, paste. Okay, let me see if I have anything copied. Okay, I'll click on this. I'll save as document on this device, so it can be on your mobile phone. If you are using phone, I'll save it as document. I'll change the name. And then I'll click on save. And with that, I can decide to either print it out or use it on my phone or my laptop directly. So do well to subscribe to this channel for more tips on the use of Canva like this. Thank you.